Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really simple Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to show you how to make your own cloche jar. If you don't know, cloche jars are those sort of bell-shaped toppers that you put on a countertop, and you can put candles, plants, succulents underneath it. I made this one out of just 2 items from the Dollar Tree and some E6000 glue. This could not have been simpler. I can't wait to show you this. This is also the first in a series of Dollar Tree DIY glass items I'm going to be making. Every week this month, I'm going to show you how to take some glass items from the Dollar Tree, they have so many, and turn it into something really beautiful for your home. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button below. You don't want to miss out on those. Let's get started on this. So I'm starting with this vase. You can find items like this all over the place at the Dollar Tree. They've got all sorts of sizes and shapes. Pick one that you like, but the key here is we're going to turn it upside down. And then I'm going to use this little jar candle. Pick any Dollar Tree candle you want, but you want one that has a little lid like this. This is going to be the little handle to our cloche jar. You saw there was a little rubber piece there. I just pulled it off. It came off super simple. And now I'm going to use some really strong glue. Just put a little dot around the line of the underside of the candle topper. You need a thin line. This stuff is really strong glue. And then I'm going to place it right in the center. That's really the only trick here. You want to make sure you get it nice and centered on the bottom of your vase. And then you just let it dry. This stuff, once it dries, it is super strong. You're going to be able to pick it up by the handle and it's not going to come apart. Let it dry for about 24 hours. And then I styled it up like this. I put a little succulent underneath it, put it on a plate I already had. You could put a candle under here, any sort of little trinket that you want to show off. This is a super pretty way to sort of highlight a piece of decor, and really simple. There you have it. How cute and easy. I really love this. You can use it in so many different ways, and once you know this technique, you can make these type of cloche jars in different sizes. You can use bowls, vases, candle holders. Go to the Goodwill. You can get these glass items for so inexpensive, and you can make this and customize it on your own. Let me know in the comments below if you plan to try this. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video, and hit that red subscribe button. Like I said, this is the first in a series. You don't want to miss those other videos. I've got some really fun stuff coming up, and I do super simple DIYs every single week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.